oppmerksomhet om dette enn noen gang tidligere.
Reporter Astrid Randen. Utfordringen med å få unge i arbeid er så stor at den ikke kan overlates til myndighetene alene. Flere bedrifter må nå ta mer samfunnsansvar, sier hotellkongen Petter Stordalen. Over 70 000 unge er verken i virksomhet eller utdanning.
Fordi det samfunnet vi alle er en del av, det er ekstremt viktig å bevare.
When this Andreu shows up, you know you're in for a huge show. There's only a few people who know what it takes to win Red Bull Rampage, and Andreu is one of those. He's dropping into the belly of the beast, taking that route that Bass and Vinny T used, making that corner in the middle of that steep chute, carrying a ton of speed as he makes his way back up to Ryder's Right Ridge. This is what he's known for, is going really fast in these steep lily pad sections, blind takeoffs, never checking up beforehand, and a flat spin 450 on that hip. Big vertical drop coming in hot, landing in the right spot. Oh, look how much speed he's carrying. He's overshooting all these skippers.
I told the world one day I would pay it back. Say it on tape and leg, record it so that one day I can play it back. But I don't even know if I believe it when I'm saying that. I'm starting to creep in every day. Is this so gray and black? I just need a red. Cause no one sees my vision when I'm playing for them. They just say it's whack. But they don't know what dope is. And I don't know if I was awake or asleep when I wrote this. All I know is you came to me when I was at my lowest. I told the world one day I would pay it back. Say it on tape and leg, record it so that one day I can play it back. But I don't even know if I believe it when I'm saying that. I'm starting to creep in every day. Is this so gray and black? I just need a red. Cause no one sees my vision when I play it for them. They just say
I looked away, I was skiing. I sacked it.
Are you okay, honey?
Jones sets on third down. What a catch! Ow. Evan Ingram makes the catch.
I'm in coverage, but there is absolutely nothing you could do to defend that.
My world's so bright, it's hard to breathe, but that's alright.
Normal day at the world-renowned forklift emporium. All of a sudden a red car pulls up, presumably just another customer here to capitalize on the great deal going on this evening at the old forklift pork stiff doorbusters, because busted makes us feel good. But then it becomes very clear to everyone they're up to something far more sinister. They've got a man on the inside right now. They've just been fucking robbed. They're agents of Plankton and they've stolen the Krabby Patty secret formula. The culprit is either wearing tin coats or full-on Kevlar body armor without the helmet. He looks like one of the fucking thumb people from the Spy Kids movie. He hops in the getaway Batmobile and it's off to the races now. Home free. They'll make about $200 from this. But wait! Oh, the masked vigilante forklift driver is here to stop them. Oh, just like in GTA. They've got too many stars now. They're past 5. They're at 6. Now they got the forklift army after him. He turns around realizing it's hopeless. But wait! He's trapped again! And then this man comes fucking zooming in, drifting around the corner, initial D style, and that is game, set, and match. That is checkmate right there. Forklift workers by day,
L'inserimento di Barella, la sua caratteristica anche questa, per arrivare al cross e il rimpallo c'è, se non presentati molti uomini in area di rigore, quello che deve fare l'Italia, non solo